Beginner English. Conversations in a restaurant with the verb, like. First, let us introduce ourselves to the verb, like. To like something is to find it pleasing, satisfying, or good enough according to your standards. In the Subject-Verb Agreement rule, the use of the verb, like, as it is or with an S, depends on the subject we use. In this table, you will see when to use like as a plural verb and likes as a singular verb. In this column, you will see the list of subjective pronouns, pronouns used as subjects. Here are the plural pronouns, and here are the singular pronouns. The plural pronouns use the plural verb, and plural verbs do not have an S compared to singular verbs. The object of the sentence has many forms, but let's focus on these two. Say, I like oranges. She likes sweets. You told me you liked this bag. The pronoun, I, is considered plural even if it's talking about me, so it takes the plural verb. The pronoun, she, is singular, so it takes the singular verb. You can be one person, two, or more. Even then, it is considered plural, so it takes the plural verb. Now, let's have some common conversations in a restaurant using this pattern.
Can I have the menu, please?
Sure. Here is the menu. What would you like to eat?
I'd like tuna salad and onion rings, please.
Would you like anything else?
Can I also have some oranges, please?
Would you like a drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of Coke.
Here's your meal.
Thank you.